Hello friends, here is an AI caricature made from a simple photo. Take a look at before and after result. And now see this sketch of logo is turning into a real live visuals. Have a look at before and after result. And see this sketch of home is transformed into a real peak of a home. All are made with a few clicks. So I used AI to generate all those images. But before I start to show you how to do these kind of images, I want to tell you that I have a special surprise for you at the end of video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's get started. First of all, come to the tools website. The tools link you will get in the description. In the center, click inside the Get Start Now. After that, here we have to put in our email account details and login. I've already done it before, so I'll skip this step. So this is the home page, and here on the right side, when you click on model, you can see here Runware AI provides more than 300,000 models. That's mind-boggling. So in this, you can create your own API keys, and using that, you can also connect it with your own app using Python, JavaScript or Confi UI kind of languages. So now first we'll create a AI caricature from a photo. So let's see how to do it. For this, we have to come to the right side here to playground. Here you will get the option like image inference, background removal, image upscale, control net processes, photo maker. We want to create a caricature, so we will select the image inference option. After that, click on this box here and select the model. In this, we'll click on the Hub Flux Eye Content feature. After that, here in this box, we need to enter the prompt. We already written it, so I'll just paste it here. If you want the prompt format, then comment prompt in the comment box and also email me with the same subject line, and I'll send you the doc over to your email. Then come to basic control here and click upload. Then upload the image you want to make a caricature of. I'll do it with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo. So if you want, you can also upload an image URL here. After that, select the size, then select the format, then select the number of images, and after that, in advanced control, you can add a seed value if you want. And this is the setting is only for API users. After selecting all these, click on generate, and within few seconds our caricature will be ready. Here is the before and after result. Now let's go on the second use case where we will convert the logo sketch to live visual, again using the same tool. So let's see how to do it. For this, we have to come to the right side to playground, then again click on image inference. Then from here, click on this box and select the model. I'm selecting the Flux 1 Contil model. After that, in this box, enter the prompt. Just like we did before, do the same process. So I'll do it quickly. So I've done everything, and lastly click on generate. And here is our before and after final result. Looks great, right?
Yes.
So now, with a similar line, we'll convert the home sketch into a live visuals again into the same tool. So let's see how to do it. For this, we have to come to the right side to the playground again. First, we will repeat the same process what we did earlier. Only thing different here is you need to change the model. So I'll do that. And I'll quickly finish my steps. After finalizing everything, click on generate, and within few seconds our image will be generated. Here is the before and after result. Looks real, right? Runware AI is very affordable and original tool. Here you can see for only $60 you can generate more than 1 lakh images. That's a lot. And the speciality of Runware AI is that it provides more than 300,000 models and also provide API. So many AI tools outside also use the Runware AI's APIs and providing the services. So if you also want to create your own app using such APIs for your online stores, offline stores, or any kind of professional work, then just comment down below and I'll create the next video on it. So if you like my video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe my channel. So I'll keep creating such videos for you. See you in the next one.